everybody, I wanted to remind you and show you some ways to do your adding with tens this week. So remember, if you're looking at this slide and you're wanting to practice this week, like 45 plus 30, this right here is just adding tens, 3 tens. When I look over here, 45 plus 40, this that you're adding is just 4 tens. Same thing with the subtraction, 45 minus 30, I'm just taking away 3 tens. So I can use this tool over here this week if I'm having some trouble counting in my head by tens. So I wanted to remind you how to use that. I'm going to kind of flip screens though so that you can kind of see a little bit better on my hundredths chart. But of course, this is there for you to use this week. So I'm going to do that first one, 45 plus 30 first. Okay. So if I'm here on my hundredths chart, I'm going to show you, I'm going to start with 45, of course. Now remember, if I move this way on the hundredths chart, the ones are changing, okay? Tens are the same, 4 and 4. The ones are changing from a 5 to a 6. So I don't want to go left and right because those are adding or subtracting 1, okay? If I go up and down on my hundredths chart, though, the ones all stay the same, but the tens are changing, okay? So if I'm starting here and I go up, it went from 4 tens to 3 tens, okay? So I took away a 10. If I go down, okay, 4 tens to 5 tens, then that's adding a 10, okay? So if I'm looking at that 45 plus 30, I'm going to add 3 tens, okay? Because if I look at that 30, there's 3 tens, no ones. So I'm only going to add 3 tens. So what I can do is I can go down my hundredths chart, 1, 2, 3, okay? And when I went down, look what happened to my tens. 4 tens, 5 tens, 6 tens, 7 tens. 1, 2, 3 different changes. Okay, so I know my answer for that one would be 75. If I wanted to do the second one up here, that's a subtraction again, like I said, when I'm looking at my 45 again, if I go up, then I'm subtracting tens. So I'm wanting to subtract 30. So same thing, there are 3 tens, 0 ones. I'm going to take those tens away. So I've got 45 and I'm going to go up 1 10, 2 tens, 3 tens. I'm taking away 3 tens, 4, 3, 2, 1 on my 10. So my answer would be 15 on that second one. Okay, so I hope this helps. I also will attach a video here to remind you how to do that with tens and ones as well. All right, have fun.